Hello friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your LinkedIn app. To know how to fix or how to solve your LinkedIn, you should just go to settings. Here in this page, you click apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list you'll enter to the window of LinkedIn app and you click here in this page. After that, you click on force stop and you click OK. Then you'll enter to the window of storage. Here we click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors on your app. And in the end of all these steps, then you can turn off your phone. You can wait 3 seconds to turn on your phone again to fix that problem you have. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.